In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the app icons on your iPhone. There aren't a lot of options for customization, but there are a handful, and hopefully something you like is in that handful of options. To get to the options to customize these, just tap and hold on any blank space on your phone. The app will start to jiggle. That's how you know you did it right. And there's an edit button in the top left. Tap on that. Then choose Customize. Here we have our options. We're on the one on the far right, tinting, where we can choose a specific color, and our apps are going to be basically between white and whatever color we choose. We also choose the power of the color, if you will. So that's easy enough to do, but you really only have one color, and it's a fade between white and that color. You can also use this dropper to pick any color you want off the background of your iPhone, for example. There's also light mode, dark mode, and then auto, which will choose light mode and dark mode depending on what your phone is set to in the settings. We also have the option for clear. This takes out all colors of the apps, really is grayscale, and then dark mode is grayscale as well, just works better in dark mode. And then auto switches between the two depending on how you have your settings set. Dark mode offers a mix of both, where you have the colors for the individual apps. It's not grayscale anymore, but it's also dark for dark mode. And then you have auto switching between light mode, which is the default color scheme for your apps, and dark mode apps. And then default is like this, and it really just stays on default forever, whether it's dark or not. So those are the options we have for various colors of the apps. We can also change the size of the apps with this little icon right here. Tap on that, and it puts words at the bottom and makes the app smaller. Tap on it again, takes the words away, and makes the apps a little bit larger. And this option here makes the background lighter or darker. And there you have it. That's all the customization options built into the iPhone. Hopefully one of these works for you and has the display and design that you want. And if you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. It really helps the channel. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which is going to show you how to double the battery life of your iPhone. Check that video out and I'll see you there.